Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start our lesson, let us recite 5 surah. The first one, Surah Al-Fatihah. The second one, Surah Toha ayat 1 hingga 5. And then Surah Al-Inshirah, Surah Quraish, and Surah Al-Ikhlas by 3 times. After that, selawat ke atas Rasulullah SAW selama 2 minit. Dan kita niatkan selawat kita ni yang pertama untuk memenuhi perintah Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala, kedua untuk memenuhi hak Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, dan yang ketiga untuk mendapat syafaat Rasulullah di akhirat kelak. Dan kita niatkan juga segala bacaan hafalan surah kita ni dan selawat kita ni untuk kedua orang tua dan seluruh umat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Kemudian doa sebelum belajar. Semoga dengan amalan ini akan membuka pintu hati para pelajar untuk mencintai ilmu dan mendapat ilmu yang berkah. Amin.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم طه ما أنزلنا عليك القرآن لتشقى إلا تذكرة لمن يخشى تنزيلا ممن خلق الأرض والسماوات العلى الرحمن على العرش استوى. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد. 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 محمد اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل 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 محمد
Doa sebelum belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min hazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Ya Allah, bukakanlah ke atas kami hikmat-hikmatmu dan limpahilah ke atas kami khazanah rahmatmu. Wahai yang maha pemurah lagi maha penyayang.
Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Ya Rabbku, lapangkanlah untukku dadaku dan mudahkanlah untukku urusanku dan lepaskanlah kekakuan dari lidahku, supaya mereka mengerti perkataanku.
Amin.
Amin, amin, ya Rabbal Alamin. In this session, we will discuss about equivalence of algebraic expression by collecting like terms. Okay, so can you please get ready with your notes, page 43 until 44, and your worksheet, page 38. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to show equivalence or not of algebraic expression by collecting like terms, in bracket rational coefficients. The second one, combine like terms by adding or subtracting their coefficient. Here will be the steps to success. First, identify like terms and unlike terms in an expression. And second one, simplify like terms using additions or subtractions of their coefficient. Okay, for collecting like terms of algebraic expression, here we focus with integer coefficient, and it's either in group or pair work or identifying an equivalent expression. Okay, as shown here, when we talk about group or pair work, for example, for part A here, OG minus 2G, so you can subtract the coefficient because they are like terms. Okay, so it's important for collecting like terms, you need to identify the like terms, right? For part B, the only like terms will be 6G and the negative 2G, and negative 3 is another terms. Okay, for part C, 5G and 3G will be the like terms, 5 and negative 2 will be another terms. Alright, and for identifying an equivalent expression, equivalent means equal, So for part 1, 5c here is also equal to when you write c for when you write c when you write c when you write c for 5, okay, like this. All right, and you know that when we talk about coefficient here, the coefficient in front of c will be 1, correct? One here, one here, one here, one here, and we add all the one here, it will give you 5, correct? So this 5c is equivalent to when we have c here for 5, okay? For part 2, same goes with this one. In front of the variable always be 1, okay? If here is negative, so it is negative 1, right? In front of all the variable here is 1, therefore this p plus p is equivalent to 2p. Same goes with this, but we need to be careful. Here we have f family and we have z family, okay? When we split this to f plus 3z, it will become f by 2 here and z by 3 here. Alright? Now, example 1, you need to simplify the algebra expression. We have two questions here. I give you 20 seconds to try. Okay, for part A, p square and p are different terms. Okay, so here we only deal this p square and p square here, and p is another terms, and the answer will be 8p square plus p. For part B, 5c plus 6c will be 11c plus 7d. Now, for part C, I give you 20 seconds to try. Okay, first of all, you need to collect all the like terms, x square here and plus 8x square here, and plus 8y and minus 4y. Okay, and I differentiate both terms by line, straight line, and also a rectangle box. Alright, and then you rewrite and it will become like this. Okay, and then you simplify and the answer will be 9x squared plus 4y, and be careful, in front of this x squared is 1. Part D, 20 seconds from now. Okay, and here we have fraction. So you need to remember your basic fraction. And now you have 1/6 here plus 2b out of 3. Okay, 1/6 b here is also same as when you put b as the numerator here. Okay, so 2/3 b here, it means 2b out of 3. And then make them like terms, make them having same denominator, basic fraction. So here we have 5 out of 6b, okay? Or you also can write as 5b out of 6. Next, part E, 20 seconds to try. Okay, now again we deal with fraction here. So don't forget about your basic fraction. You need to make the denominator equal, and then it will get this and this one. Negative 21d out of 6 plus 24d out of 6, and we have same denominator already here. Therefore, you can minus the denominator. You can simplify the denominator. Minus 21 plus 24, and the answer is 3d. Why? Because 24 is bigger than 21, so follow the sign for the bigger value. Can we simplify further? Yes. So half d. F. 20 seconds to try. Alright. And here, every whole number, the denominator is 1. This one. Alright. Again, with fraction, make the denominator equal, and then you should get negative 14e out of 3. I repeat myself. You will get the answer negative 14e out of 3. And when we simplify further, it will become negative 4 2/3 e. Now, G, 20 seconds to try. Alright. And first of all, you need to collect all the like terms. Okay. 5xy is also can be rewrite as yx. And in exam, you can do like this. This one, the like term will be this one. Plus 7y will be grouped with negative 2y. And then negative 9x is another group. And rewrite, it will become like this. And then you simplify. You will get to xy plus 5y minus 9x. Now for part H, 20 seconds to try. Alright, collect like terms and you'll get this. And then negative 15y plus 8zy or 8yz also same. Okay, and here the final answer is negative 15y plus 8zy. The last example, part I, 20 seconds to try. Okay, every whole number denominator is 1. And then we make the denominator equal. So 6f out of 3 minus 10f out of 3. And we simplify, it will become negative 4f out of 3. And we can rewrite as negative 1/3 f. Okay, so this will be our final example. And don't forget to complete your notes, complete your worksheet. Thank you so much. And we will end our session by reciting doa. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Doa selepas belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni astaudi'uka ma 'allamtani fardudhu ilayya inda hajati ilaihi wala tansani ya rabbal alamin. Ya Allah, sesungguhnya aku menitipkan padamu ilmu-ilmu yang telah engkau ajarkan kepadaku, dan kembalikanlah kepadaku sewaktu aku memerlukannya kembali. Dan janganlah engkau lupakan aku kepada ilmu itu, wahai Tuhan yang memiliki semesta alam. Amin.